What happened?
We lost. We failed. We tried to tie it, and it broke on us because it just wasn't cooked quite enough.
Yeah. And whose fault was that?
It was his fault.
It's always the dad's fault.
Yeah.
Well, how many noodles you got in there?
Just the one.
He's got like 12 noodles in the pot.
They all broke. I've only taken one noodle.
That one's going good now.
Keep getting it. Goes, then it stops, and it goes, then it stops.
Oh, the father and son team, we're still at it.
We're trying. Second attempt.
Now, is this what usually happens on trip, that you're doing all the chores while your
I'm
son...
breaking up the wood. You know, we're doing the good
We split up the duties. It's pretty fair.
Yeah.
I set up the camp. I usually cut a bunch of the wood as well.
There's conflict in camp.
Oh, real fight.
That looks like a fresh noodle. What happened?
It broke. I pulled it out too early. It was too small and it broke. There's still a little half in there, but I think she's too short to tie. So I'll try a fresh noodle.
Sorry, heads up.
That's going good now.
That's going well, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And what did you say? The Adventure Canoe Hound guy, you hate his show?
Oh, Dennis?
I think that's what you just said, wasn't it?
Awesome, man. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
I'm just joking, Dennis. He did not say bad things at all.
This is Tom, by the way, Dennis.
Oh, yeah! Woo! We have the first knot. They might have cheated a little.
No, we didn't cheat.
They went
Yes,
in.
it was a pre-cooked noodle.
Yeah, really.
Busted.
I just happened to bring one with me.
That's awesome. Oh, we got second place.
Second place, first losers.
Look at that.
Yeah. First losers. We're the first ones to lose, technically speaking.
Are you almost there?
It's getting close. Fresh noodle though, so.
What happened?
Third place!
Look at that.
I got about 4 different chunks of noodle, but that one worked.
All right, so how's it going?
Not bad. It's bending.
So I put pressure on you because I said that stove usually wins. Oh, he's getting the noodle out. How you doing back there?
I broke my second noodle.
No! What
I
happened?
just want to be done with it. Had my water boiled, it was going, but it's still too hard. So now I got a little guy that I'm not going to be able to tie again.
You're on your third noodle.
He's going to finish, and then we'll be done. It'll be good. Right here. Don't miss his tie.
Oh!
I don't know. It looks a little all daunted.
Oh!
I'm gonna see if I don't wear them.
Don't worry, we weren't watching that. Oh! Oh!
Too shaky though. Still so small. My hands are so fat.
Well, he's going to do it. He's going to do it. He is. Yes. No?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh no!
Don't eat it. He did. Oh! How are you doing?
Not great.
I'm filming this. Go back and get your son.
Have another child. It's okay.
So we got 43 seconds.
43 seconds.
And the winner was 20 seconds.
20 so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 2 tents getting set up. We got an Esker 8x9 with a center pole, and we got a snow tracker short wall. We're 2 to 3 people. How you making out? You look perplexed.
I thought you were talking over there. Good. I think we're going good. Figuring it out as we go at least. Does this one go here?
Awesome. How you making out? You good?
We're going.
You're still getting along?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're trying to plan.
Up or down or...
Plan for something we've never done.
There you go.
Good?
We're good, yep.